ogre or goblin or troll. I'm not sure. I think it's labeled, whoever designed this, he marked it as orc. Is this an orc or is it like an ogre? Let me know. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if you go too fast. It's kind of like a classic fantasy orc, not like Lord of the Rings. Sort of more Dungeons and Dragons kind of thing. So let's try. Center point of my page about here. We'll put his eyes about halfway. Portrait of him. Might be a little bit to the right because you got like a big shoulder pad. I want to fit that in. So maybe say center here. I'll come over. We'll go with this big frowny forehead. Like it's kind of like if you've ever drawn Kong. Very big. Wrinkly eyes. And a big scar. Excuse me. Big scar coming up his forehead here. Do same maybe over here. Right, so it's like his brow sort of area. A grumpy dude. Then his eyes are in under here. So we'll go down. On the bottom, up into there. Beady sort of eyes. Kind of like lemons in under his wrinkly forehead. So he's got like loads of piercings, but I'll add them in a sec. We'll just get sort of main shapes in first. So big iris, pupil then. Same over this side. Sort of a half circle. Underneath his big brow, right? And his eyes are different colors, which is kind of cool. So we got like some eyelid lines. Just like skin of his eyelid. And then that scar continues actually down his face. And then we got like a wrinkly sort of nose. Like nostrils just pretty high up. And then the tip of the nose coming down here. Then looks like we're going to get like some cheeks coming down here. It looks a bit like a pig, kind of. And piercings coming out of his nose, right? So like spikes here. So mouth look like big teeth, right? So big sort of fangs kind of here. This is where we really get into orc territory. And this one's broken a little bit. piercing on his lip. Might draw that one actually first. And then the bottom lip sort of joins these together. And his top lip up here, very wide mouth, sort of exaggerated wide mouth. And then the top lip sort of in here. And like some wrinkles there. And then more fangs and sort of teeth, flat teeth sort of in the middle here. And teeth hanging down here. Seems to be another spiky one in there. Right, and then big bottom lip coming out around these teeth. You can texture them up a bit if you wanted. So his cheek kind of just joins his lip sort of up around the head here. You know, like his temples going in that way. He's got like a big beard as well. So his chin is in under here. And he's all this facial hair that kind of hangs down from underneath his like lip here, say. So we'll just add some like spikes. Hair spikes, kind of just kind of like beard. Kind of like Wolverine's beard, sort of, you know, just doesn't go onto his chin. Just sort of hangs down here. Right? So then, like, his ears sort of join. His head is kind of bald apart from the very top. So he's got these pointy ears, right? And earrings, right? So he's got like a piercing coming out here. I think he's got one over this side as well, so draw that in. And then a pointy ear. And we'll give him more. There's more piercings here, right? So you just do these curves. And then we'll go down that way. We'll make those connect in here. Okay, and then ear lines. And go up for his head, like so. Just darkening up his eyelid here. Right, so hair. So we got like his forehead's kind of like the middle of his forehead is here, so you do this kind of V sort of thing, right? And then it'll just go zigzag around. Okay, and then his hair's kind of like tied up, right? So you've got this sort of bumpy section here. Like it's all tied back in a ponytail sort of that goes down behind his head. So say like, right? And you got like lots of wrinkles coming across the forehead here. Maybe like another sort of scar or something. You can do as many battle-worn sort of scars that you think is necessary. So that's his head, basically. Hair that hangs down. You know, I've seen him with braids and things, if you wanted to do that, kind of like a Viking. But let's add some musculature. So his trapezius quite high up. Very high up traps. Like under his shoulder armor as well. Starting at his ear, that's how sort of muscly he is. Okay. Then we got like a big shoulder here and here. And you can add like deltoid muscles if you want. Can't see his other shoulder, right? Because of muscles and chains and things. So he's got like a necklace that comes out from behind his neck. We'll do that. We get down to about here, there's like teeth hanging onto it. So, little toots. Little tootins. So we go. And this will probably go down off my page. And they have these little sort of X's on them just to show that they're kind of tied on. And lines going down this way. Not bad. Okay, missed one. Right. Got a big strap coming across that holds on a big like shoulder armor, right? So it's like a leather thing. And it's got like buckles and everything, stitching and stuff. Quite a detailed rendering. So amazing what people can do with computers and stuff these days compared to when I was a kid. It's just shot up. I think this goes that way. Right, and like stitching just down the sides. Okay, so that's coming across his chest. Like another little area here. And then, is that a shoulder again? I think should be another shoulder muscle. And then like his neck appears to go down that way. And then big chest muscle going that way. And then chest going that way. Do like a scar if you wanted. Okay, so last but not least, he has big shoulder armor with lots of spikes. And it looks kind of cool, so I do want to do it. You can leave it off and just do a normal shoulder if you wanted, of course. But I think it looks cool, so we're drawing it. It's got this edge to it. And the strap is holding it on. And his shoulder muscle is there. So it's got another layer. And then another layer. Now this one's a bit more complicated because there's like a spike here, and the armor goes around the spike. Okay. So sorry if I don't move my hand. I do apologize. I get so into the drawing that I forget that people are watching. Yeah, that's right. There's people watching this. Why? Why are you even watching? So I still think it's crazy. Excuse me, bit of a cough. I tried to edit the coughs out, but I don't get them all. So there's another layer here, right? And it goes around this. It's quite thick metal. S shape. Okay, and then this goes around the edge here, following the profile like that, I think. Three spikes, one broken on the bottom. So, and it's like connected to this leather with these metal plates, circular. This one's broke, right? So it just like cracked under the pressure. Okay, and we'll put a little bit of texture on this leather as well. And then big horns. So go. You know, as big as you want, really. Big enough. And then down, and a bit of a crack in this one too. What's the crack? It's an Irish phrase, by the way. And then it goes up. Crack. C-R-A-I-C, I think. Ow. Piercings. There's more piercings left on his eyebrows, but I think that might complicate things a bit too much. Orc. Traditional, fantasy, orc, or ogre. Not entirely sure. Let me know in the comments if this is an orc or an ogre and what's the difference. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.